and welcome back to Renovation Revelations. Let's go check out the site. Today, we're in the early stages of lead abatement. This includes taking down the gutters, the windows, and removing any areas of loose paint that need to be smoothed over before adding a protective layer to encapsulate.
This morning, we checked in with Travis first to learn a bit more about this. Every spot on the O. Henry with loose paint must be scraped off and removed carefully. The edges are smoothed, and then that protective layer is added to encapsulate the paint. As you can see here, this is quite an extensive process. Taking down the gutters is a lot of work, but they need to be out of the way for our renovation. The workers need to be extra careful navigating these long sections as they come down. Workers need to wear protective equipment while they chip away layers of paint on this old house. Each paint layer represents part of the O. Henry's past, and every painted surface is examined closely to make sure they don't miss anything. It's time for us to leave them to their work now. There certainly doesn't seem to be an end in sight this morning, but the O. Henry is in good hands. These professionals know what they're doing.
I'm Rebecca Tasker.
And I'm Wendi Laws.
We'll catch you guys next time on Renovation Revelations.